Yes, possible x values.
2, 4,
Good.
6.
Good. So your domain for the first one is 2, 4, and 6. What about your range for the second one, or for the first one, Phil? No, the range on those ordered pairs. Okay, remember the range, Phil, is the y values. So what would the y values be? Just read them there. -3, 5, and 8. Perfect. -3, 5, and 8. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, -3, -4. Like I said, just approximate. Thanks. Okay, so let me just share with you. Gianni said the domain for number 1 was 2, 4, and 6. Phil said the range for number 1 is -3, 5, and 8. For number 1. No, we're not on. We haven't gone over number 2 yet. We're just talking about number 1 first. Okay, so Kelly, what's the domain for number 2? 7, 8, 9 are x values. What's the range for number 2, Taya? 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Ryan, can you give me the domain and range for number 3? What's up?
1, -1, 2, and -3.
Good. The domain for number 3, Montez, please pay attention. Okay. The domain for number 3 is -3, -1, 1, and 2, like Ryan said. The range are the y values of those ordered pairs. So it's going to be -4, -1, 1, and 4. All right? These are all relations. Every relation has an x and a y, a domain and a range. Yesterday on your pretest, they were talking about, is this a function or not? Function is a little bit different, okay? A function is a relation in which every element in the domain is paired up with exactly one element in the range. So take a look at those 3 problems. Is every element in the domain matched up with only one element in the range? Like, what is 2 paired up with in number 1? What's the number 2 in the domain paired up with in number 1?
4. No.
Take a look at the... Yeah, -3. 2 is matched up only with -3. 4 is matched up with what, Marvin? 5. 6 is matched up with what, Ryan? 8. 6 is paired up with 8. So they're all paired up with exactly one element. They're all paired up with exactly one element. So once again, Cassandra, can you just read the definition for a function for us?
A relation in which every element in the domain is paired with exactly one element in the range.
Good. Exactly one element in the range and one element in the domain. Take a look. Ordered pairs, tables, and graphs. Those are the ways that we can show a relation, right? In those 3 problems up there, Marvin, you paying attention there? Okay, in those 3, is every element in the domain paired up with exactly one element in the range? Like, is 2 matched up with any other number in this first one?
-3.
Okay, is it matched up with something besides -3? No. Is 3 matched up with something besides 6? Nope. Is 5 matched up with something besides 8? No. What about in the table? Are all your x values paired up with one y value?
Yes.
Okay. In the graph, are all your x values paired up with one y value?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's look at what's not a function.
No.
Why is this one not a function? Anybody think they know why in the red here this would not be a function? Yeah, Taya?
Because the domain number 2 is paired over, it's cheating on that with 7.
Okay, good. The number 2 is paired up with -3 and 7. So it's not a function. Nice job, Taya. What about number in the table here? Why is this not a function? Why would this not be a function? Yeah, Joey?
Because there's -3 and 3, and there's -3 and 4.
-3's with 3, -3's with 4. See why it's not a function here? Okay? Kim, see negative 3 is paired up with 3, negative 3 is paired up with 4? Yeah, Phil? Okay, perfect. Phil just said, look, there are 2 4s in the range. That's okay. 2 numbers can go to the same, 2 elements in the domain can go to the same element in the range. Okay, think of birthdays. We all have a birthday, right? Mine is November 5th. Someone in this school may also have November 5th as a birthday. So we're the elements in the domain. The days are the elements in the range. We're going to one day. It's impossible for someone to say, I have 2 birthdays. So it's not a function because I can't say my birthday is November 5th and December 12th. So that would be like, I'm the element in the domain going to 2 elements in the range. Yeah, Marvin? You had your hand raised?
No, I thought I got your birthday.
Take a look at this last one. Why is this not a function?
It's not a straight line.
Okay, it's not a straight line. Good. Plus, look,
It's curving.
it's curved like this. So it's not a function. Okay? All right. What we're going to try and do today is I'm going to give you one of these. Okay? It's like a cell phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 true-false questions up on the board. We're going to do one at a time. If you look, there's a button true. Guys, be paying attention because I want to make sure that there's a true and a false. So if you say the picture on the board is a function, you're going to put true. If you say it's not a function, you're going to put false, okay? Can I get a volunteer to pass these out for me? Taya, Marvin, CC.
Marvin, look, maybe take it off.
Kim, can you pass them out too? Just try not to turn them off. That's
All right. Oh, I got one.
okay, everybody got one? We're all set? Okay, remember, you're going to hit T for true, F for false. T for true, F for false. What's up? Hey, you said you needed help? What's wrong? Something happened? Let me see. I got an extra one out there.
Go ahead.
Here, let me give you 2. Here you go, Tay. All right, we're all set? Guys, we're all set? Is yours, are all the questions on there?
No.
Did you guys turn them off?
Marvin did.
No, you shouldn't be finding a class. No, you shouldn't. You shouldn't be touching anything right now, Montez. Here, I got another one.
You turning it up.
Here.
It's exact.
Okay. Are we all, guys?
Yes.
Are we all set?
Yes.
All right. Let's take a look at the first one here. True or false? Pick true or false for this question. Is the following a function? True or false?
I have a question.
True or false? Yes.
In the brain, never mind. Got it?
No, you just have to hit T or F, and then we're going to go on to the next one. I'm still waiting for 10 people to answer.
How you know?
Because it says on the bottom there, 12 people have answered so far.
You guys did before now? You're done.
No, I didn't. Why you say
Me.
I'm still waiting on a couple of you to answer. Is this a function or not? Bill, did you answer?
He said.
Yeah. Brandon? Because let me see how many people are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And I only have 16 answers.
Come on, tell me how she.
Marvin, Montez, did you guys enter any answer?
Yeah, I've been done.
Okay.
Watch this. Or we got enter.
Do we got that?
No, you just have to hit T or F.
Yeah.
You have to press enter.
Yeah.
Try hitting enter after.
Dang.
There we go. So it is T and then
Here. These
Oh, it's T and then
So is T
What's up?
answer?
Yeah.
So you're.
All right, now we got 19. Next one. Is the following a function? Okay, we got 4 more we're waiting for, 2 more, 1 more. Bam! We got the 19? All right. Next one. Is the following a function? Now it's a table. Is the following a function?
We got one more.
Then we're going to see how we did. Still waiting on one more. Guys, gentlemen. All right, we got the 19, last one, and then we'll see how we did. Is this one a function?
We just gave them the answer.
Yes.
Okay, dog, yeah.
Hey, guys, come on.
This is review.
I know, we're going to go over it.
Usually one have a technical. This should have a technical.
Because it's not for duration. Who still hasn't checked one off? Ken? Montez, did you do it? Still waiting for one more. Madison, you got it? Tyler? All right, good. All right, so let's check the answers here. Let's check the answers.
How would you say that?
Why don't you put in that?
Stop the assessment. All right, so let's see. For this one question, most of us got it right. We all said that this is not a function. Can someone tell me why this is not a function? Yeah, Phil. I'm sorry. Sorry, Phil. Wait 1 second. Marvin, can you please pay attention to Phil because he's explaining why this isn't a function.
Go ahead, Bill.
All right, Phil's explanation why this isn't a function is he said -7 is with 5 and +7 is with -1.
No.
Yeah, Joey?
It's actually 3 and 2 and 3 and 6.
Right, 3 is paired up with 2 numbers. The element 3 in the domain is with 2, and the element 3 in the domain is paired up with 6. That can't happen. You can't have one number in the domain going to 2 numbers in the range. Let's take a look at the previous question. All right? On this one, it was true. Okay, a couple of us put false. Is every element in the domain paired up with one element in the range?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 is with 3 only, -3 is with 0 only. 5 is with 8 only, and -1 is with 2 only. Let's take a look at the next one. Oh, this one, a lot of us, not a lot, but this one it seems most of us got wrong. I don't know if you can see the chart, but it looks like 3 or 4 of us got this one incorrect. This is true. Every element in the domain is paired up with exactly one element in the range. And then let's take a look at the first one. Is that a function? Yes. Some of us put false. Take a look. 4 and -4. It's okay, they're 2 different numbers. Don't think that because one is positive and one's negative and they're paired up with 5 that it's not a function. Be careful with it, okay? Be very careful. Do me a favor, can I have 4 volunteers just collect the clickers real quick?